Yes, peeps, this is Mama Sue again. Thank you for those who subscribe already. And those who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit that little notification bell. So when I put up more video, you can get notified. Respect to every aspect. Yes, peeps. Right now, I cook up some Sunday dinner. Fish, fried fish with punch. The punch is breadfruit punch and carrot. Let us season up the fish them now. Make some. Wash off the fish then with vinegar. Yes, peeps. May I put the seasoning on the fish to fry them now. Yes. So I'm using some Maggi seasoning, some cayenne pepper, some season to the bone, and some all-purpose. Give them a little slice. Then fry fast. Papito. Have a feet. Yeah, easy to burn.
Yes, peeps. A real cutlass man, you old country boy, you know. Yeah, man, we don't play, man. Country boy, man. You could play.
Don't play. You set away. Breadfruit, them soon cook to make the punch. Just take about 10. About 10 minutes. Cook the breadfruit. You don't have to make it well cooked, but you know that you're going to blend it up. So I'm going to catch up the fire. You know, to fry the fish. Don't cook our Sunday dinner. Peeps, I just love cook outside now. It's a pleasure for me to cook outside once more.
Yes, Mama, so the fire blaze you now.
Yes. Whoa. Woo, 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 woo. This is the breadfruit. So I'm going to
Catch on, Mama Sue. Mama Sue, keep the fire blazing. This I wanna go wild
and versatile.
Mama Sue style.
Yes, peeps. Yes, this is
seasoning.
The fish seasoning, and I'm going to put the
out the door in the real frying pan.
The rice and peas, the thyme and the escallion, the onion. You know, I'm going to make the gravy.
My favorite, you know, peeps, Scotch bonnet pepper.
And peeps, yes, I blend up the coconut, the real Jamaica coconut. This is the coconut juice. Yes, and I'm going to make a vegetable with my cabbage from my farm, carrots, and
natural,
tomato.
organic.
And then this is for the punch. So I'm going to
lift up Uncle Sue. Go on this. Breadfruit a boil. Breadfruit punch.
Breadfruit and a little carrot. Yes, peeps. We take off the breadfruit to make the breadfruit punch. Breadfruit and carrot. And then I put on the rice and peas pot. And then the frying pan to fry the fish. And the dry fish, we put them in a piece. Then dry it, you know. And then dry them in a stick. I think you should get more in there and more fish. Yes, kids. This is one about wild and versatile. Let's see, I'm going to put in the peas now. Carrot, not the peas, the rice. See, I use some parboiled rice. See? Lovely peeps, lovely. And I put some some pimento grain, you know, to give it flavor. And 2 Scotch bonnet pepper. Lovely. I wanna go wild and versatile. Yes, peeps. The fish finished fry. And then make the gravy and the rice finish. Beautiful, peeps. Beautiful. The dog them fighting. But they smell the sweet aroma of the food. So they start to fight. This one I go wild and versatile. Mama Sue style. Yes, peeps. The Sunday then I soon finish. The gravy a simmer down. Let's simmer down the gravy. This is a little cayenne. I'm going to put a little cayenne pepper. I like pepper in my fish, you know. Put a little cayenne pepper. Lovely, peeps. The ginger bring up the flavor and the garlic. Delicious, peeps.
King one, man. Me king one with him.
Ali, go and put the dog in the cage.
Peeps, that look good. Real good. How much so I could see fried fish? I'm back a closer zoom up on it. Peeps, fresh from the ocean to the pot. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps. Look good. I'm going to see rice pack them, mama, so.
It's a little butter.
Yeah.
Oi.
Gravy a cook up now. Remember, peeps, the breadfruit punch. So sort out. Wow. Mama so rice and peas, well shelly. Yeah, mama so looking good, looking good, looking good. Looking real good. Nah, right here.
Yes, yes. Let this simmer down, peeps. Good. Delicious. Okay. I'm going to make the breadfruit punch now. Can't put what's in the one I have it. Jagan.
Hey boy, man, you tap on fire coal in here and squeal like a pig today.
Squeal like pig. Supplicant. Nutmeg. teaspoon.
No. Move that boy.
No.
Warm to you.
A little
Back away with your
almond.
empty can of separation. Warm to you.
Little almond.
Take it up.
A little rose
Don't
water.
put in a garbage. Take it up. Trouble.
Cinnamon. Vanilla. No, these vanilla are not strong nowadays. So you have to just.
Peeps, if I first see that one, yeah, you learn something from Mama So. Dragon. You know put the peanut punch yet. Raw peanut.
Yeah.
Trouble. And a breadfruit punch this peeps. I trouble this. Get one spoon and mix it around now, because we don't want to burn up the nutri, the bullet. You hear it scream out, it a ball out.
Oh my goodness.
You want the punch.
Boy.
Wait no papito.
Wait.
Taste already. Can't taste yet, bro. You want to taste already? Not done yet. Soon, okay? Soon. Yeah, soon.
Excuse me, I'm Papa.
It doesn't taste.
Excuse, no taste as yet.
Soon.
It throw a little water in it. Like too thick.
Thick. Blend out with smoke a while ago. Wait, Papa, wait.
Boy.
Wait now.
The words not going as yet. Trouble in a camp. Nobody got me. Excuse me.
Wait, Papa. Alright.
Wait.
Wait, Papito.
Wait. Yes, peeps. We're going to put in the milk now. I'm going to blend it up already. The breadfruit, so I'm going to put in the milk. I don't like this.
Breadfruit, carrot, guineas, vanilla. How this again?
Yes, all those things you mentioned.
So,
Rose
almond.
water, almond.
Wow, rose water,
Cinnamon.
cinnamon,
And
nutmeg,
Yes.
raw peanut.
Yes.
Why?
What?
You don't know.
Yes, optional.
Ray and the nephew them,
Optional.
whole family are going out. No, not right now. Wait, Papito. Why Papito always a rush his food, he peeps? See him? Watch him. Always a looking at the camera, man, and looking at you, watch him. Always a rush your food. Always a rush your pot. It's soon done, man. You told Lily for a drink called pumpkin punch. That's a pumpkin, a breadfruit. Oh, you don't do no. We don't shoot nothing with no pumpkin punch it.
No.
No, alright, so we have to go shot the pumpkin punch.
No, yeah.
So peeps, stay tuned.
The milk them now.
If you're just watching this video, if this video pop up in your feed, and you just bypass it and watch it, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because you're gonna love it. May I tell you that?
Yes, please.
Don't leave without subscribing and hit that notification bell. Drop a comment. And remember, share. You see me, I say, Mama So Kitchen,
Respect.
Mama So Style.
This
Yeah.
yeah. Wanna go wild
And versatile, Mama So Style.
Country style.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, peeps, we are putting more milk. You see, sometimes
You don't put in your rum,
the rum, the real Jamaican Ray and nephew, overproof rum, optional. You don't have to put it in if you don't want to. Optional. This I wanna go
I
wild.
want a cup of water, I want you ready.
Ice. Ice.
We not, I'm going to put in a deep freeze.
Yes.
They go and cool.
Yeah.
Better when it cool.
Yes. So true.
Mama so let me try it. Yes.
That taste this. You don't have no ice. You don't buy time, you have to put ice in there, you know?
Bips! That one is wild and versatile. Mama Sue style.
Yes.
Believe it or not, peeps. Mama Sue can tell you. Grew up in the country. Everywhere me go, people say, yo, you look like a football player, or you look like a bodybuilder, or you go to the gym, peeps. We don't go to gym. Janet me go. You see it? All natural. Realer than steel. See it?
Real steel.
You mean real steel, man. Real steel. Yeah, man. And them are sitting here. You know, remember Mama when used to make all cow skin punch and all that sitting there. Oats and...
Yes, we have to make the
yeah,
cooking. Yes. That good. Strong back that.
No, we don't go to gym. Fire pan gym.
Yes, we have to buy some.
Yeah. Whenever me I go to Janet.
Cow skin punch.
You see it?
Yes. Cow skin punch. Put that in the freezer.
Put it in the freezer.
Yes, better.
Nah, like your mama's do.
Real good.
Yeah.
You can imagine when the ice going on.
Trouble boy.
Trouble boy.
Yeah.
Listen. Tell Ali to come here. Or Gavin that we can send up some of this stuff. Clear off the table. Yes, beef. Now we need some space. See, peeps? Real gravy. Yes. Need to clear off the table. Need some space. Yes, peeps. I'm going to share some food now. So, right. Dear Jesus. Wait. Russian.
Mama Sue style. I want a versatile, wicked and wild.
Uh-huh. Yes, peeps. Just not sharing out now. Russian. Russian. I'm in there. Yeah, no gravy. Alright. Yes. This is for the cameraman. Yes. But share it to me one now. Just share that in case.
Mama Sue see a puncher. Wicked and wild. Finally get a feature already.
Definitely. Mama Sue style, wicked and wild and versatile.
Country style.
See the peeps. Breadfruit punch with carrot.
My God.
Mm-hmm.
Man, bless him.
Yes, sir. Give thanks. Yes, peeps, we're going to find a little corner and sort out my thing, you know. Yeah, man. Mm-hmm. Do the right thing. Continue to bless up Mama Sue thing. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell.
Respect to every aspect.
Yeah.
Real rice and peas.
If some restaurant did a cook like this now, you have better business. Tell you. True.
Yeah, tell you.
I mean, I tell you a joke thing.
You know what you're saying?
So fly the thing.
Yeah, man.
Not before the time, you know?
For real, man.
Not before the time. Creep before you walk.
Mm-hmm.
Most naturally true.
You have to start from the leather. Not from the leather.
Restaurant and all.
No, man.
Yeah, you have time to that.
Oh, the fly them touch it. The breadfruit punch, you know. Oh. I'm going to muscle up power over here.
Yeah.
I'm going to kick. So I fly around and pitch over everything. fruits, you know, they make punch and
Yeah.
juice.
They make potato punch.
Potato, carrot, pumpkin.
Banana. Yam punch, yellow yam punch.
Culinary art.
Yeah, man. Oh, smoothie. See the peeps clean up. It was delicious. Mama So style. Yeah, man. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Mama So, talk to your fans, them, yeah, man.
Yes, please. Stomach.
Yeah, I mean,
Oh, yes, please. The stomach full. I tell her, not even the head when me love me can't finish. You know, if you just left it until later. So, as my son said, do the right thing. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And you see that little bell in the corner? Just hit it. Bing! When I upload new video, you can get notified. Respect to every aspect.
blessings.